I'm excited to announce the latest project I'll be starting. This is going to be awesome. So, my goal is to beautify Atlantis and create real change in Duraflats and Atlantis as a whole. So, I came up with three goals. First one, to beautify Duraflats and change the image of Atlantis. The goal is there's a goal, beautify Atlantis, change the no, beautify Duraflats, change the image of Atlantis. To do that, I decided to I decided to have beautiful murals painted on the side of Duraflats. You know that wall, that long grey prison walls, long grey ugly prison walls along Duraflats. Now just imagine it painted with beautiful murals. Lots of people coming to Atlantis or traveling through Atlantis drive past Duraflats as it's the main road or it sits along the main road. Imagine beautiful murals painted all along that road. Wouldn't that be awesome? Just think about it. That's one of the three goals. Second is to start a soup kitchen. We all know we have a lot of need in places like Duraflats. It's going to start in Duraflats, but the goal is to start here and expand. Because in a town like Atlantis, where there's a lot of need, a lot of poverty, low jobs, with people desperately needing money, desperately needing an income, I thought, why not alleviate the suffering? Why not help instead of just looking and watching people suffer? Why not do something positive? So the second goal is to start a soup kitchen and using using the Ghetto Exodus studio as a soup kitchen, part-time soup kitchen. So when I'm not using it to interview people, why not use it for something positive? Because I already spent like lots of time and energy and like money on building the studio, and it's only being used currently. It has only been used like two times this year. I'm still trying to get people to come for interviews, but people are scared to come to Dura Flats. So that's their first goal would help with this. And finally, start a business. Start a small business that would be able to, or that would enable me to, currently just me, enable me to keep on generating money, keep on getting an income, keep on do. Sorry, this is natural. I just came up with this, and as you guys know, I don't rehearse. I just it's a one go, one set, and I speak my mind, speak what's in the heart. So I give it to you naturally, because that's humanity. So yeah, start a business that would enable me to fund the soup kitchen in other projects. That's three goals. Beautify Duraflex, change the image of Atlantis. Two, start the soup kitchen. It will help the poor, help feed people. And number three, start a business that would fund the soup kitchen all along into the future so that there will be no need to beg for help. I'm very excited about this project and I'm going to need your help. No, I'm not going to ask for money. I'm not over here to be asked for money, or at least not yet. But this is not asking for money. What I need from you is to tell me, to suggest what can I do to start start getting the money that I'm going to need. Because I'm going to need, like, say, 50,000 Rand to get everything started, to be able to buy the equipment for the food kitchen. First goal to buy paint. I'm going to need at least 10 times 20 liters of paint to have it painted, and the artist gonna need to be paid. You're gonna need to be paid. So, what do you guys suggest? What should I do to start making money? Start getting the money. Start building. Start funding. Start the funding campaign or the fundraising. What can I do? What would you suggest? And another thing you can do is comment underneath the video. Would really appreciate that. I'm Learn with Mentor. I should have said that in the beginning, but I'm Learn with Mentor live from Duraflats. This is Ghetto Exodus and Hustle and Motivate with Ghetto Exodus. Now, your part. Comment below. Give this video a like. Give it a share. Let's make this viral. Let's get it away. Duidelijk.